looks fantastic. All right, we're on. These conditions could not be better right now. Absolutely amazing. Here's our first real go. We had a test, but this is the proper one now. Oh, twisting. Dang it. There it goes. Lands right near the t-shirt that I had. Let's move now. Auto set, auto land, that's insane. Lines move right over, I think. Over to the left a bit. I think it dropped us straight. Guess we'll be using more grapnels now that we don't have a weight drop problem. Alright, so I might try one of these MAF rigs in close. It's a drone rig though. So let's try one of these. Is that a drone rig? Yeah. So that one. Triple. I've got a double there. Don't do any trips. There we go. Water just looks amazing. Very misty around here as well. Oh, now we're getting bites. That's genuine bites now. The beauty of this is we can get really good drops again and again as we need them. Haven't been out for a fair while, so thanks for bearing with us. It's just been one thing after another, but hopefully we can get a long stretch of good fishing in now. We've got some good days coming up this week. and then it probably all picks up again next week. The weekend's going to be difficult, I think. There's a lot of rain around, but not too much storm activity. So I think that could be a little bit more difficult. This kind of looks like a tail. Let's put that on there like that. Something trying to grab a tail. Beauty of having 3 hooks in a snelled series. It's kind of like a gang. It just holds it a little bit better. It might be better if it's slightly more in the middle. Fingers crossed that holds a bit. I should really be wrapping these, but I'll worry about that later. I just wanted to at least get some baits out in the water today. We'll worry about wrapping another day. We'll refine our technique as time goes on. Didn't bring a second rod holder, that was a bad mistake. And just cast this one. Little bits of seaweed, but it's nothing mental. Tide looks like it's still coming in. Oh, like that was instant bites. A bit of fish oil. And then really I want to have another look at that camera. Sorry, the phone that we're using to connect to the drone. Hopefully the app is working better with the 3D map now, which is what we need. It's just looking absolutely perfect out there. Gonna have to send again real soon with this one. I might switch over rigs. Get that on with the grappling setup. Check the tide in a minute too. This is just unbelievable conditions. In the middle of winter. Well, I'm an advocate, you've kind of got to send 2 baits to the same place and then change the spot up. I think I might do that. Probably get some seaweed on the line here. Unbelievable. Still at 70% battery, I think. 70 to 80%. Absolutely amazing.
This is a beautiful night, man.
It's ripping, bro. Absolutely ripping. Whoa! That's big! Holy smokes! That's still going. This could be a big shark. Oh my god, I might get spooled. Oh, he's not stopping. Oh, he's giving me some back.
Is he?
Yeah, this could be a fish, dude. I hope it's not a ray. Nah, it's doing too much shaking to be a ray.
He's coming back.
He's coming back.
It might be a bloody snap.
It might be. That was a huge run.
I know.
No way.
I think, mate, if he's coming back, mate, he'll be a big chopper.
I really, he's coming back all right. All right, I reckon I must have about 100 meters left. Starting to try and move again. It's gone left on me. Not snagged.
For it to be coming like this,
It's got to be a fish. Who knows, man? We'll soon find out.
for it to come out like that, mate.
Yeah. It's feeling heavy now. If it was a big black ray, mate, it would be a lot heavier.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It could be a shark. I don't know what it is either. I saw its eye though.
Yeah.
Looked more like a wobby. Oh, it's a shark. Yes.
Yeah, it is a shark.
Oh, he's big. Oh, he wants to break off, mate. Just got to swim him in. There he is. Swim him in. Oh, he's thrashing. Oh, he's perfect size, I think. It's a bronzy. It's a beautiful bronzy.
That's a good size, mate.
What you feel? Sorry to get you. Yes! Woo!
Come on, mate. Oh, yeah.
Well done, thanks, brother. Yes! He's awesome. That's a bronzy.
Yep.
Woo!
Now, you can go back there, mate. Beautiful, mate. That's beautiful.
That is a decent sized shark. Got something on, but it didn't go off like that other one.
Yeah.
Gee, that's the spot, man. Told you, bro. I swear. I've caught most of my stuff in this beach. So, and then you can have times here where tailor come through, mulloway come through, like you said. It's just a cracking night.
Have you got circles on?
Yep, yeah, octopus circles, yep.
Oh, yeah.
Just the ones that jag back, you know?
Yep.
I love those. Standard circles just don't seem to hook them as high.
Yeah, I noticed today.
Yeah. It might even be a wobby or something.
You reckon?
Yeah, it feels more like something that's along the bottom. Or a shovey, like I said, or a banjo. I'm getting some head shakes, but here it comes. It's not big. What is that?
What the hell is that?
It's a Port Jackson.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, just
Another little Port Jackson.
Did he swallow the damn thing?
Oh, did he? Beautiful. Nice little Port Jackson. Swim another day, mate.
Yep. Here you go. Back in.
Awesome. Get yourselves a Poseidon, people.